Hello there, welcome back to the shed. Today I've got another thing to show you, and it's another one of these gadgets that's hopefully going to make your life easier. So what we have here is it says it's 21 volt, but I'm sure 18 volt Makita battery is going to work with this. It's a electric caulking gun with an LED light that I bought off Temu. And if you're anything like me, I struggle to make a neat job of anything to do with this stuff, silicon sealant, and hopefully this is going to make life a lot easier because it'll give you the constant pressure, and there's different speed settings. So we'll have a look what's in the box and see how it works. Okay, so here's the gun itself. Very nicely made. It feels really solid and sturdy. There's the LED light at the beginning, and suspiciously it's in the same colours as Makita. This one came without a battery, but I've already tried it. The fake Makitas that you get, batteries that you get off Temu, they work with it, and the genuine Makita batteries, they also work with it. So we'll take it outside, put it together, go through how it works, and have a little play around and a practice with it. The sealant I'm going to be using for this job is called Forever White, and it's a superior silicon sealant, and it's got mould shield in it, and it's proven to resist black mould growth for a period of up to 10 years. So I'm going to go with that. It makes sense. That was the problem in the first place, black mould appearing in the sealant in the bathroom, so I'm going to try and avoid that. It's a job that I don't like doing and I'm not brilliant at, so get this done. I shouldn't have to worry about it for another 10 years, and I'll probably have too shaky a hand to do it then. So we've got our Makita battery, and this is a genuine Makita battery, onto the caulking gun now. So we press the silver button that's here, and that allows you to draw back the plunger. Then we load our sealant in. Okay, so I've got the sealant tube in. Press the plunger again, move it right up to the back in here, and the black button on top turns the light on. I've got the speed control here, plus or minus. I've got it on the slowest setting because, like I say, I'm not very good at this. I don't want it to be going dead fast and I can't keep up with it. And then it's just a case of, so select my speed, on the lowest speed, plunges right up, and you just press the button and then leave a bead down here. I'm going to have a few practice runs at this because I'm no good. Then I'm going to have a go at the job and I'll show you the finished job. So it's really that easy. Okay, so now we're in the bathroom. There's the new blind that I put up the other week. That went really well. Temu, just over 10 quid, that thing. Beautiful. Right, I digress. So here's the shower. And I'll show you the bit in a minute. Here by the shower door, all this had gone black. It was like clear sealant. And so I put the tape on that I got off Temu, both sides, and that sealed that area. I'll just show you the other side. This is the other side. It was all black along there, so I put this sealing tape on, and that's held the door more in place as well because there's only a crossbar across the top, and now it's rock solid there, and it looks really nice and clean. And then round the edges here you can see where it's just gone black, and it was clear sealant. And I'm not knocking the job that was done. It was a fantastic job that was done, but it's been a few years now, well 3 or 4 years I think, yeah, at least 3, and it's gone back. It's not bad at the back. I've just cleaned it up as much as I could using some disinfectants, spray and a toothbrush, and to get the rest of it out, and we'll put some special Ever White sealant on. It's supposed to stay white for 10 years. I'm still not the best at this type of thing, but the gun did make it a lot easier, and the smoothing tool did make it easier. It's hard when you're dealing with such a thick bead like I've done here, but it looks a lot better. We've got rid of all that black now, and I wasn't too keen on the very thin bead that was there, and it was very thin. It was about 1 milli or 2. And that now is definitely waterproof. The other thing I've noticed is the further away you are, the better it looks. And if you turn the lights off, it looks brilliant. Anyway, job done. What do you want? Hey, Rocky. Rocky! Yeah. So there you go. A caulking job was done. The TEMU electric caulking gun. I'll leave a link to where I got it from on TEMU. It might be dead, but you can still find these things all over TEMU. As I said, it's not a job that I'm particularly good at. I don't think I did a fantastic job, although some friends who've seen it and that, I said, you know, you've done all right there, it's okay. I've got a nice thick rubber seal all the way around the bottom of the shower tray, which is what I wanted. No leaks, and hopefully no more black mold into the sealant. So it gave me a bit more confidence. I think I did a better job than I would normally do. It was quite a difficult job because it was a really thick bead, but if it's one of those jobs that you struggle with, like I do, doing a neat job with a sealant gun, I recommend getting an electric sealant gun. It makes it a lot easier, and it's not something to do often, but it's a handy thing to have, see, making life easier. I'm looking at TEMU. The caulking gun, the electric caulking gun, cost me a grand total of £28, 25, and it was free postage. Do I think it was worth it? Absolutely. It's absolutely rock solid, really well made. It's a nice feature having the lights on the front. Like I say, it came with no battery, but it does take Makita batteries, and it also takes the fake Makita batteries. Get yourself one. You'll have some caulking fun with it.